Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You. Friends, today we are going to talk about Udemy free certification courses. So if you complete these courses, then you will be getting a free certificate, and these certificates is going to help you a lot if you are attending any written test or interview for any of your MNC job. So friends, if you have a dream of getting into MNCs, then these courses are going to help you a lot, irrespective of if you are a fresher or a experienced candidate. Friends, before we proceed further, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get update of all these kinds of video whenever we upload. Friends, we don't want to earn any money from the student, so if you subscribe our channel, we can get money from YouTube, and then we can provide you the quality materials over here. So friends, these are the courses which are completely free, and it is very important for getting a job into your dream MNC. So Python for beginner, basic to advanced level. So friends, 8 hours on demand video, and this is completely free. And friends, even the coupon code and the link will be updated in the descriptions. You do not have to worry at all, but you need to enroll it as soon as possible, because once it is expired, then you cannot enroll it for free. See, the cost is 1200 rupees, but you are getting it for completely free. So I can enroll now. Okay, so you can see I can enroll now. Now the price will become 0 because this is completely free, and we have searched a lot, and then we have come up with all these courses. So now I can enroll. Okay, so already I have enrolled, and now I can watch the video. Same way you have to enroll and keep, and then later on you can watch the video. Then friends, you can see Docker courses for the beginner. So friends, Docker is the trending technology which is going now. I mean, Docker is very important. If you know Docker, and when you are going for any interview, if you put that in resume that you have a basic knowledge of Docker and you have a certificate from the Udemy, trust me friends, you will be getting more and more importance, more and more priority than all other students. So Docker, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So friends, people were asking in the previous video, this is a second video on the Udemy free courses. So in the previous video, people were asking, sir, which course we should do? So Python, first go for Python, and then see 8 hours, and this is just 1.5 hours courses on Docker. So just enroll it right now friends. Even I am doing it because it is important for everyone. So if you are a fresher or if you are experienced candidate, no problem. Okay, and then you can start your courses. And friends, then you can see DevOps fundamentals. So DevOps is also very important. So 2 hours is there. At least get the basics, get the certificates, and put it in your resume. You can see the difference. Okay, so you will be definitely getting priority. And friends, you will realize, yes, whatever sir was telling, it was very much correct. A beginner's guide to Android app development. Okay, 4th course. Then a step-by-step guide for JavaScript. So if you want to learn JavaScript, it's a scripting language, and it is very important. Okay, then algorithm for job interviews and competitive programmings. Friends, all the courses are free. I will be you can find it in the description also. Artificial intelligence expert certifications. Okay, then you can see Unity game development for beginners. Friends, the first 3 courses, Python, DevOps, and Dockers. So these are the very important. So that you complete first, later on you can see. So practical MongoDB, and then friends, artificial intelligence, content creation tool certificates, then health and fitness. So even that is also required to supercharge your life. Competitor analysis certification masterclass, learn how to make practical PLC project with interfacing. So AWS services for solution architect associates. So Amazon Web Services, that is also important. Mastering GRE quantitative comparison questions. So friends, quant questions are also there. Then robo author content writing automation 2020. Then create incredible visual graphics. Then applied machine learning. Then indie filmmaking. So if you want into to make your career in filmmaking, so you can just have a look at that. Friends, when you are free, when you have time, then you can spend on all those things. Modern JavaScript, and then anonymity guide for ethical hackers. You can see all are free friends. And then Power BI for data visualization and analysis. Then you can say develop your listening skills to shine at work in life. Okay, and then PMP review courses, 6 editions, and then Checkpoint. Okay, so friends, almost 25 to 26 courses details has been given, and you can find everything in the description. And friends, please do subscribe, okay, so that we can come up with the quality content, and that too free for you. Okay, so we don't want to charge any money from any of the students, so we wanted to give everything for free. Thank you friends.